Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Tapo, back again with another analysis video. Please do me a favor, hit the like button there, subscribe, and follow with me for today's analysis. Starting with the Dow Jones. We have been in level 3 for 5, almost 6 days now. We had our 3 levels of rise, and then prices basically been consolidating here. Let's just have a look at the H4. Just for context, here we are in level 1 consolidation, so expect them to continue one more level, but that's not relevant for today. Since they've been in this level for an extended period, I do expect them to reverse from here, drop one level from there, and then maybe we'll even get 2 or 3 more levels of drop, but at the very least I expect us to get one level of drop here. Ideally, I would like to short here if we can get a nice stop hunt to yesterday's high. Very clear move there. We can get a short there. We'll definitely be in a position there. However, if they come here and they give me strong bullish sentiment, I'll definitely be looking to take a long there. A very brief trade, but it will be an opportunity nonetheless. So we'll just keep monitoring price. But for the most part, ideally, I would like to short off of this point right here. Moving over to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also in about level 3. I count 2, call it about 3.5 levels of rise. And I expect them to reverse the trend for about a day or 2, maybe even the rest of the week. Seeing that today's Wednesday, but we will see. Maybe we'll get our midweek reversal. Let's look at the H4 and see if we can't see any signs there on our TDI. No, nothing clear there. So yeah, we'll just not likely to take any trades here actually, because there isn't a point of interest that we can use. Yeah, so I'll be staying out of Nasdaq for today. Moving on to the pound. The pound gave us 2 levels of rise, like I said in yesterday's video, and then they dropped it for, I don't think this is actually a full level. Movement wise kind of is, but they didn't, it's not a complete level, so I will treat this as level 2, and I still expect them to give me one more level of rise, possibly above last week's high there, and then we can complete our pattern. So we go down to the 15 minutes. It would mean I expect them to think, if we get a nice stop hunt to yesterday's low, maybe very clear reversal there, I'll definitely be looking to take to take longs from here. They could also just break right through yesterday's high. I could take the long from here if there's a nice continuation pattern here as well. Yeah. Look, if we look at the H4, we are still in an uptrend, so we're still good in that regard. Yeah, no. Here we're looking to take longs, preferably yesterday's low, but we'll also take it at yesterday's high as well. Euro USD, as you know, is similar. The same story goes. We've had 2 levels of rise, and they kind of held the level here for a bit. I expect them to do the same thing again. We want a stop hunt low rise here to continue our uptrend. Prefer maybe during the course of this week, if we could just complete it, and we see price go above last week's high, then we know we've completed the pattern. And then when we look at the H4, we're clearly in an uptrend there as well. It looks like it. However, this could be a reset. So how they treat last week's high will be very important. We'll just keep monitoring price there. But for today, we'll be looking to take longs, including a continuation long at yesterday's high as well. Moving over to AUD USD, not going to trade it. It makes almost no sense. However, when I look at price, what I can see is that we've had 2 levels of drop. Being this and that one. You haven't exactly consolidated here, but I kind of think they'll consolidate after this and maybe drop at one more level. However, obviously we'll not be trading it today because the ADR has been met, but I'll be monitoring price for sure, just to get a confirmation of the trend. USD CAD is still in the same level, so I'm just going to skip on right over there. I'll just look at the H4. Yeah, it is just still chilling in this level 3 here on the 4-hour levels, which means I expect to short them, but I definitely need a pattern of some sort here. There's nothing, especially go down to the 1 hour. It's very confusing. They've basically been going up and down. So once that starts to clear up and make sense, I'll be looking to take shorts. But for now, staying out of USD CAD. But however, if you guys have any insights, please click the link in the description. Actually, join our Telegram group. More so the discussion group. I would love to hear what you guys have to say, how you are trading USD CAD and how you've been dealing with it for the last 2 weeks. What your level count is, even if you're not trading level. Actually, I'd just love to get your perspective on how you are navigating USD CAD. So please hit the link in the description there. And we'll move on right along to Swiss franc. Yesterday I wanted to go short on them. I didn't get a stop hunt, but they made the move there. Maybe today we'll get another stop hunt because I'm still expecting them to drop price there. So I am anticipating a stop hunt from there. Stop hunt high drop. However, is there no points of interest I can short from? Okay, yesterday's low is a little bit too far for my liking and a little too close to the ADR low. I would take a continuation pattern here, but the risk probably isn't worth it. I mean, for 15 pips, especially if it's not the high of the day. But we'll just monitor price. Maybe we'll get something clear and enter there, or maybe we could also get our preferred move to stop hunt high there by yesterday's low. I mean high and then drop there. And like I've been saying, if they give me a very clear bullish pattern here, we'll take a continuation all the way to the ADR high. Just another brief position just to capitalize on that move there. But for now, I'll be waiting to go short. And then we'll go finally, S&P 500 has given us our levels of rise. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, even 4. We've had, yeah, our uptrend has definitely been completed there. I expect them to rise. Let's see, could this be regarded as a reset? Not really. Price didn't drop enough, but again, only time will really tell. I'll be sure, yeah, after a couple of days. But for now, I don't count this as a reset, so this makes a 4th level of rise, which, like I said, means I expect them to drop price from here. Now, there isn't any point of interest for me to short from. Yeah, definitely isn't any point of interest here. Maybe if they come down to last month's high and give a very clear short pattern, then I will take the continuation from there, definitely. But other than that, I'm most likely to be staying out because there aren't really many opportunities of shorting the S&P 500. So we'll just keep monitoring price and see what happens. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you for watching. Again, please guys, hit the like button there. Please subscribe. It does a lot of help. It really helps get this to more BTMM traders. And also please hit the link in the description. We're trying to grow our little community there of traders where we share setups, ideas, and how the trading day goes by. Hope you enjoyed this and you get some value from it, and I will see you guys in the next video.